Meet Sarah, a simulation star. Sarah was nervous starting her new job. She knew her stuff from school but wasn't sure if she could put it into action. Then she discovered key skill set, guided simulation learning. Sarah jumped into guided simulations that felt like real work. Instead of just reading about it, she was actually doing the tasks. It was like learning through play. Practice pays off. Each time Sarah tried a guided simulation, she got better. It was like training her brain and hands to work together seamlessly. Before long, Sarah was breezing through tasks that used to stump her. Her confidence soared because she knew she could handle anything that came her way. Thanks to guided simulation learning, Sarah went from feeling unsure to feeling like a pro. She tackled her job with ease, knowing she had the skills to succeed. Guided simulation learning is like practicing a sport or playing a game. It's all about doing things yourself and getting better at them. If you want to learn faster, remember more, and feel confident in what you do, give simulation learning a try. It's not just learning, it's doing, and that's what makes all the difference. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more learning adventures.